Hello everyone, I am Sarwar Jony. Currently, I am pursuing my undergraduate from Khulna University of Engineering and Technology, Khulna. Today, I am going to show you, as you see, the basic interface of Excel, and later on, I will discuss about the various topics like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, then data entry, data analysis, visualization, like that. And at the first topics, today I'm going to show you the basic interface of Excel. Here you see this is the basic things of Excel. This is the this is the basic interface of Excel, and today I'm going to show you the whole things. At the top of the interface, this is called the title bar. Okay, here the name excel practice.xlx slash excel. This is called here at the top of the interface. The it is called At the top of the interface, it is called the title bar. This is the title bar, the name of the file. This is the file name excel practice.xls, and this is an Excel file. Okay, and then this is called the ribbon bar, and here these are the ribbon: file, home, and insert, draw. These are ribbon, and these are the tab. Okay, this is the tab bar. And if I show you, this is the home, and this is the clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cell, and here cell formatting, editing, add-ons. This is the N1 add-on, and I can go insert, I can insert from here various type like pivot table, shape, photos, and here the charts are available, sparkline and filter, and later on then draw. I can draw here, and I will use it later. And page layout, format, data, view, all things are available in ribbon bar. Then this is the call cell. Okay, when I will cell, I will discuss later, and after that you will get. But just here is the just see here the file. This uh, rectangular shape things is called the cell. Okay, and this is the cell bar, and this is the formula bar. Okay, here I can use any kind of formula. Okay, and this is the sheet. This I can go right and left, and this is called shift. I can change its name by double clicking here, or what I want to check. Let's see practice. Okay, and I can also take another sheet, and I can rename it by right clicking here, then rename. Okay, and rename, let's say practice 2. Okay, and I can also change its color. This is the tab color. Let's say I am using this, and I will use this is the tab color. Okay, and I can also protect this sheet, view this code, and copy, move, and also I can delete, I can insert. All things I can do from here. Let's see, I'm just deleting this, and this been deleted. Okay, now come to the basic point. This is the row, column, and cell. Okay, to understand that, I'm going to draw bar, and I am taking a pen, like I'm taking this pen. Okay, at the this from up to down. Okay, A, B, okay, C, this called column. Okay, and from left to right. Okay, let's say this is the 12th number row. This called the row. Okay, this called the row. Now let's see, this is a rectangular size, right? Rectangular shape. This rectangle shape is called cell. Okay, this is called cell. And when I will just click any cell, let's see, I'm going to home and from draw, click cell. This is the cell. Okay, when I type this one, it's called T. This is the if I show you, this is the T and this is the 12th. Okay, number 12th row, and this is called T12. Why? The first is column and second one is row, and this is also available at the column bar. Okay, here you see T12, and let's see, I'm selecting another one. I'm selecting this is the MN23. Okay, which one I select, it will be ash color here if your background is dark mode, and if it is light mode, then it will be in gray color. Okay, and if I want to remove this, I can just erase this all. Okay, hope that you understand all things, and we will get the better result and later. And we can also change the things just going to the upper side, and how much I want, I can write it here. Okay, and later on I will show you the uh, data type or import data or input data, and in later in next video. Thank you, thanks for watching this video.